WoodFest is a really great thing for us to host here at Ryder. It's an opportunity really for professionals often competing in the industry to come together and to compile their thoughts on what the best ways of addressing a solution which will affect all of our businesses.
So the main difference between traditional methods of construction and modern methods of construction is the ability and the need to plan early on in the process for the way you're going to build the buildings, and that has advantages and disadvantages. The main advantages are much greater certainty around cost, deliverability, and the main challenges are around the need to design much earlier on and much sort of further up the supply chain for things that traditionally tend to have been fixed up on site.
So for me, coming to these kind of events is about trying to encourage people to engage, look at different methodologies. And modern methods is not just necessarily sort of process, it could also be techniques and tools. It could be the use of new computer tools and digital engineering.
The recently published strategic plan has MMC throughout its core within the document, and the main reason, the impetus for us doing that, is to get the 300,000 homes per year that the government's tasked everybody with, delivering more homes, and we see MMC as part of that to increase productivity.
Design quality and design flexibility are sometimes some of the criticisms that are levelled at modern methods of construction, because all of that design is front-loaded and effectively you don't have so much opportunity for change. I don't think that's a problem. I think it's something that designers have to consider earlier and adopt earlier to make sure that the flexibility and the adaptability in the systems we're using is designed in and built in, rather than relying on contractors to force it in later on in the process. So we really can deliver better quality and better design, we just need to think about it earlier.
We're really keen to push the idea of modern methods of construction, and I think in particular timber, as a reliable, sustainable, cost-efficient way of building. It's not the only one, but it's one that we've had a wholly positive experience with so far, and we're keen to spread that learning to others.